Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss question number 65. Let us see here the question number 65. A farmer prepares a rectangular vegetable garden of area 180 meters square. Okay. A farmer prepares a rectangular vegetable garden of area, the area of garden given how much, 180 meters square, with 39 meter of barbed wire. The length of the wire is given, the total length of the wire is given how much, 39 meter. He can fence the three sides of the garden, leaving one of the longer sides unfenced. Find the dimension of the garden. Okay. Let us see the solution of this question. Suppose this one, the rectangular field prepared by the farmer, that is given, the area is given how much, 180 meters square. The area of this field is given how much, 180 meters square, and we know that the total length of the wire is given 39 meter. Means the farmer start fencing and fencing. Suppose this one, the farmer is fencing of three sides, okay, and leaving the one sides, this one open. The longer sides, one sides longer is left by the farmers, okay. Then we know that if you suppose the length of the this garden is equal to x meter, if you suppose you assume the length of the garden is x meter, then the breadth becomes how much, 180 upon x, because the area becomes length into breadth, okay. X into x will be cancelled out and becomes 180. Okay, let us see here. Suppose we assume here, let the length of garden, we assume that is x meter, okay. Then the area of a rectangular garden, it will be given in the question, given how much, 180, and we know that the area of rectangle becomes L into B, length into breadth, and it will be equal to 180. We assume that length equal to x, we assume it, the length equal to x, so the breadth becomes how much, B becomes 180 upon x. We assume this one, we assume L equal to x, okay. I hope you are able to follow me. The B becomes 180 minus x, okay. So this one, the length becomes x, the B becomes 180 plus 180 upon x. This one also becomes 180 upon x, because this one also breadth, that's why it becomes 180 plus 180 upon x, and this one the length, that is x. So according to question we can write that, the total length of the barbed wire is given how much, 39 meter. You can write here, total length of barbed wire, that is given how much, 39 meter, okay. This one given, and we know that the length of the barbed wire, this one 180 plus 180 upon x plus 180 upon x. You can write here, according to question, you can write length of barbed wire equal to, we know that it is equal to 39, and we know that the length of the barbed wire is 180 upon x, this one the length of the barbed wire, plus x, and this one also 180 upon x, okay. I hope you are able to follow me, and it will be equal to 39, because this one the length of the barbed wire. And from here we get 180 plus 180 becomes how much, 360 upon x plus x equal to 39, x as a LCM 360 plus x square equal to 39, and we know that x square plus 360 and equal to 39x, and from here x square minus 39x plus 360 360 equal to 0. We get a quadratic equation, and we have to solve this quadratic equation to find the value of x. X square minus 39x plus 360 equal to 0. And from here, if you multiply these things, you get how much? 360, and you have to factorize this 360 so that you can set, you can write here 18, 90, 45, 15. Okay, 2 2 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24. This one 24x, and this one 15x. Minus you get how much? 39. Okay, so in place of minus 39x, we have to put 24x minus 15x. Okay, so you can write x square minus 24x minus 15x plus 360 equal to 0. We put in place of minus 39x, there is a minus 24x minus 15x. If you multiply, you get plus 360x square. Okay, and from here, if you take x as a common, you get how much? X minus 24, and minus 15 as a common, you get x minus how much? 24 also. X minus 24, and it will be equal to 0. If you take minus 15 as a common, you get how much? X minus 24. Okay, and from here you take x minus 24 as a common, you get x minus 15. X minus 15 equal to 0. So we get x equal to 24 and x equal to 15. There is a two answer of x. The value of x is given how much? 2. That is 24 and 15, and both are correct. So if you take x, if x equal to 24, then the length, that is x, so the length becomes how much? 24 meter, but the breadth becomes how much? 180 upon x, 180 upon x, 180 upon the value of x given how much? 24. We get, if you divide 180 upon x, you get how much? 2 9 ja 18. Okay, and this one 12, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, and this one 2 2 ja 4, and this one 15. Okay, 7.5. Okay, 7.5. If you divide, you get how much? 7.5. Okay, so the b becomes how much? 7.5 meter. Okay, if you put the value of x as a 15, then the L becomes how much? 15 meter, whereas the b becomes how much? 180 upon x, that is 180 upon 15. Okay, 5 3 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15, and 5 6 ja 5 3 ja 15, and there is a 30, 5 6 ja 30. Okay, and this one becomes 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. The b becomes how much? 12 meter, and both are correct. Length equal to 15 and b equal to 12. And if x equal to 24, then length becomes 24, but the breadth becomes how much? 7.5. I think it is correct. Okay, let us see here once again. 180 upon x, that is x value of 24. Okay, 2 9 ja 18, 12. This one becomes how much? 45. This one becomes 6. 2 3 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, and this one becomes how much? 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, and this one becomes how much? 7.5. Okay, this one correct. I hope you are able to follow me. Thank you very much.